Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sofia.
And my name is Elena. It's an astounding day to be a Panther.
Our boys soccer team will play Bayside today.
The games will start at 5:30 for junior varsity and 7 for varsity.
Our boys basketball team will host celebration tonight. Tickets are $3.
The games will start at 6:30 for junior varsity and 7:30 for varsity. Come out and join us.
Panthers, it's time for some holiday cheer. Please see the list of our 12 days of holiday dress-up days. The 12 days of holiday dress will begin Thursday, December 7th and continue through to December 22nd.
Start planning your outfits now and please join the staff and teachers in this festive event.
In Heritage Club news, make plans for Friday. First priority will be meeting during all 3 lunches in the auditorium lobby. There will be pizza, games, friends, and fellowship.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!